welcome to Mickey Art. My name's Michelle Edhouse, and today I thought I'd have another play with this Montmartre white mixed with other colours. As you will have seen in a recent video, this month is Breast Cancer Awareness Month, and we are challenging ourselves to do pink ribbons. Some of you know that pink is not my favourite colour. There's about half a bottle left in here, which is 120 mils, so a bottle's 240. This is pre-mixed pouring paint by Montmartre. Not sponsored, by the way. And I'm going to be popping in with it some of my Reno Art Crimson Red, which has been mixed with Floetrol and water and has some silicone in it. And I'm going to put them both in the bottle, give it a single shake, and then pour and see what we get. So not going to put much of the red in because we want it to be pink. Just about that much. I don't know if you can see just in there. It's just a bit. So I'm not going to try and squirt it out. Or should I? Should I try and squirt it out through there? No, I don't think so. 1, 2, 3. All right. That's given us a pink. Let's see what happens. Worst comes to worst, we're going to have a plain pink canvas. What do you reckon? Spiral pour, travelling spiral pour, just straight lines, diagonal lines. Let's go diagonal lines, see what comes out. Ah, look, we got straight pink. Okay, that's interesting. That mixed super quicker than I thought it would. Not my plan. Okay, so let's at least get some sort of definition in there. Now I use paper underneath my paintings purely because A, it's cheap, B, it's white, and C, it's biodegradable. Okay, so I'm gonna put some more in there, and this time do a spiral pour, as it, not stir it. And let's stretch that out. That kind of could be some breasts, maybe, or a breast. It's really not quite doing what I wanted it to do. Let's see what we get if we torch it, because there's silicone in there. You know, these challenges are set as challenges because they tend to be quite challenging. They're not something that will necessarily just be pop, 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 easy, easy, easy every single time. There's not even much silicone in my red, though there is quite a bit of silicone popping up throughout the pink, but there's not much through there. Okay, What else is possible? Okay, I'm gonna try something. No, not that one. I've got a piece of laminated card there, and I'm just gonna dribble some red across, and you guessed it, I'm doing a swipe. Lay that laminate down in there. Didn't come out very well at this end, did it? We've got our pink ribbons happening. Got a bit of silicone happening. And again, I'm still not excited. It's not exciting me, but then breast cancer doesn't particularly excite me either. So I suppose that could be an accurate all right. We've got a lump in there. Let's get rid of that. I'm going to go again. If I've got any more paint in there. Then I'm going to tilt that way. And just one more. Just to add a little bit more dimension there. Okay. There is definitely something happening now. Something that's starting to tickle my fancy. Something that's got some interest happening. Still not fabulous in my eyes because it's pink. Why did they paint pink? Not all breasts are pink. Oh, I suppose they had to pick something. All right. There's my pink ribbons. Lots of ribbons, honouring lots of women. And men, because it's not just women that get breast cancer. Did you know that? Okay, so let's see what it turns out like when it's dry. In 3, 2, 1. Ta-da! And here is the end result. It dried very pink, very bright, and I like it. It'll make a good background for something. Maybe maybe some words. I'm kind of getting that this is more of a words sort of one. Maybe you know, love life, or choose living, or whatever. So maybe in the comments you guys could put some poignant words that I could put onto this, and if something really inspires me, I will add that to it, and we can all enjoy that in the future. So yeah, thank you all for joining me for this challenge. As you watched, it was a bit of a challenge for me. I'm not a fan of pink. That first white and red pour was a bit not quite working. But I enjoy a challenge, and that's why I set these challenges every month in the Acrylic Pouring for Fun Facebook group. Pink is not my favorite color, and it is a good cause. So if anybody chooses to purchase any of my pink ribbon pours that I do throughout this month, all proceeds will be going to the Breast Cancer Foundation. So I would love for you to know that. If you're choosing it, if you would like it in your life, or would you like to make a donation, then please please do that. What can you contribute? How can we support more people having ease with healing from breast cancer? And what would it take for breast cancer to not exist on this planet? Oh, that's a big ask. What would it take? Okay guys, thank you so much for joining me. I adore you. I'm super grateful for you all joining me on these videos. And how much fun can we have now? How much loving life can we choose today? Bye bye.